Newton study. I am Mr. Priyan Singh. My qualification is MSc in Mathematics from H.D. Jain College, Ara. I am going to teach physics of class 9th. Today I am going to start new chapter. The name of chapter is work, energy and power. The name of chapter is work, energy and power. Before teaching the topic, I want to say you must subscribe, like and share Newton study. If you subscribe, like and share Newton study, you become a member of our family. From this, you provide me energy and encourage me. So, I say you must subscribe, like and share Newton study. Today topic is notations and some important formula. Today topic is some notations and some important formula. These notations and formula are related to chapter work, energy and power. First notations, mass. Mass is denoted by a small letter m. Mass is denoted by a small letter m. Second, distance. Distance is denoted by the letter s. Force is denoted by a small letter f or capital letter F. Force is denoted by a small letter f or capital letter F. Acceleration. Acceleration is denoted by a small letter a. Velocity. Velocity is denoted by v. Radius of earth. Radius of earth is denoted by re. Gravitational constant. Gravitational constant is denoted by the capital letter G. Height. Height is denoted by a small letter h. Work. Work is denoted by the letter W. Time. Time is denoted by a small letter t. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is denoted by the letter K or EK. Kinetic energy is denoted by the letter K or EK. Potential energy. Potential energy is denoted by EP or PE. Escape velocity. Escape velocity is denoted by the letter VESC. escape velocity is denoted by VESC. Mass of earth is denoted by capital letter ME. Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by a small letter G. Now I am going to explain some important formula. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is denoted by capital F, mass is denoted by a small letter m, acceleration is denoted by a small a. Hence, force is equal to F is equal to ma. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/mv square. Kinetic energy is denoted by Ke is equal to 1/mv square. Ke is equal to 1/2 mv square because kinetic energy is denoted by Ke. Potential energy is equal to mgh. M mass, G acceleration due to gravity, H height. Potential energy is equal to mgh. Power is equal to work by time. Power is equal to work by time or power is equal to energy by time. We can express power in two ways, in the form of work and in the form of energy. So, power is equal to work by time or power is equal to energy by time. Next, defined word work. What is work? When a force acting on a body, produces displacement. When a force acting on a body produces displacement in the body, then work is said to have been done. When a force acting on a body produces displacement in the body, then it is said to be done work. When a force acting on a body produces acceleration in the body, then the work is said to be done. Suppose 5 Newton of force is applied on a body and 2 meter displacement takes place in the body. 5 Newton force is applied on a body. Due to force, displacement takes place 2 meter. Then work is equal to 5 multiply 2. is equal to 10 joule. So, when a work acting on a body produces displacement in the body, then work is said to be done. Work is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, it has no direction. So, work is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of work is joule. The SI unit of work is joule. Joule is denoted by the letter J. Work is equal to force into displacement. W is equal to force into displacement. When a work acting on a body produces displacement in the body, then work is said to be done. Suppose 10 Newton force is applied on a body and the displacement 3 meter takes place, then the work is equal to 10 3 ja 30 joule. When a force is applied on a body but the displacement does not take place in the body, then in physics it is not said to be work done. Due to applied force, displacement takes place in a body, then it is said to be work done. But due to applied force, displacement does not take place, then the work does not take place. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. At last I say you must subscribe, like and share Newton Study. Thank you.